Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 24th of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, we have few successful trades and I am going to talk about those trades in this video. And Great Britain Pound JPY with a bullish expectation from 134,001 and 134,969 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but the Great Britain Pound JPY has went up to 134,607. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours it stays above the entry. So if you have done 4 to 5 hours trading on Great Britain Pound JPY, then you must have ended up with very good profits. At next, we are going to talk about AUD USD. AUD USD with a bullish expectation from 067790 and 067990 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, the market started to go up, and within no single bearish candle, the market touched the target price with no problem. So congratulations to all of the traders who have taken the buy positions today on AUD USD. They must have ended up with good profits. At next, we are going to talk about AUD JPY. So going to take you towards the signals reports. AUD JPY with a bullish signal from 72977 and 73419 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but the market has went up to 73305. Okay guys, you can ask that why the target price is not met, because the gap in my signals is quite very much high. So it does not mean that all the time market is going to hit the target price. So how to exit in this situation? You should use the simple formula that once you have caught the decent profit at hand, for example, if you have taken the trade right from here and if you have taken a very good profit up to here, then you should exit from the trade. That's not more about greed here, that it will touch the target price, then I will close the trade. This is a wrong approach. So you should have to close the trade once you have the reasonable profit at your end. At last, we are going to talk about USD JPY, and USD JPY signal was bearish from my side and 107501 was the entry. And guys, you can see the signal is already broke from the entry and USD JPY is making the downward pattern. If we go to the daily chart, then still you can see that the market is trying to enter into the oversold levels of the red boundaries. So still it does not enter, but later on we can expect that the market will continue to go down bearish on USD JPY at the moment. Okay guys, this is about the trading signals. Moreover, we have 2 losing trades and we will not talk about the losing trades in our videos. Okay, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the usage of the trading system. You can see there are 2 red boundaries on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection from the top, then you can sell the pair. And look, scalper has pointed the red arrow to sell the pair, and then look how sweetly the market has went down. And when it goes into the lower red or blue boundary, and if you see that the market starts to gain the momentum slowly, then you can buy the pair. And look, the scalper has also pointed 2 times white arrow here, and we will ignore the red arrow here because the market is already into the oversold level. So we are not going to sell it anymore. We will look for white arrows here, and look, the market has went up, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about today's analysis. So if you're looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report that is based on a trick. If you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for $700 and I take the subscriber for Skype coaching for 3 days. And if you want a one-to-one coaching session with me that is based on a journal coaching session, then it's for $200. And for all this, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexflips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.